Outreach Theater is a group of people who wanted to get together to change the world, at least our little corner of it, for the better.
The power of theater is it reaches people's emotions.
We see ourselves in each other. There's a common humanness about it.
People are really hungry for connection. People start to heal once they feel heard. And this is a great way for people to express things they might otherwise have trouble expressing. The way Theater of the Oppressed works is that people in the audience are free to stop the action and take the place of a character who's lacking power and do what they think or say what they think would restore power to that person. We did a scene revolving around domestic violence. I was in the scene. I had run to my neighbor's house away from my abusive husband, and he was at the door trying to get in the door. And my mom, who had been abused her whole life, actually stopped the scene and got up there and made him go away. And here she is, this tiny woman, and she really took her power by making that violent man go away. It was life-changing.
We were just really excited for this to spread in Eugene, like to really catch fire. And we want to connect with people that have a passion for exploring social issues and really making a difference. So we are planning this big sort of launch event of bringing Marc Weinblatt to Eugene to put on a 3-day workshop. So it's going to be 3 whole days. The first is going to be mostly about Theater of the Oppressed, and then the second day will be more about playback theater. The third day, we're going to end in an interactive theater performance for friends and family. Marc is an amazing facilitator and trainer. He's started the Mandala Center for Change, and he has facilitated diversity and social justice training and workshops across the country and internationally. We are amazed and excited to have him come to our city.
I hope the workshop sparks a new community of people who want to collaborate. My hope is that it leads to action, it leads to change.
What we want to do is train leaders, first responders,
People who are working with vulnerable populations, that kind of thing, that they can use this, they can put this in their toolbox.
I'm so excited that our training will inspire and kind of galvanize people who also have a discomfort with the polarization in our community and bring us together and give us more courage to continue to facilitate these kinds of events.
The strategies and techniques are just lying around waiting for people to pick them up. And all it takes now is the willingness, the emotional will to just do the work.